Okay, so what is given in this sum? I'm starting with the what is there in the sum. So the given is C and D are the centers of the circle. Chord EB intersect the smaller circle at point A. We have to prove that segment EA equal to segment B. So we are going to start with joining few segments here. We are going to join ECD, a straight line passing from point ECD. At the same time, the next is we are going to join AD. So let us start the proof from this two statement. Draw segment ED passing through point C. Draw segment ED. If you write draw segment ED also, na wo bhi kafi hai, because this is understood, or this you should know as a student, that if two circles are touching at one point, then their centers and their point of contact will always be in a straight line. So we are going to write draw segment ED and segment DA. So here we are writing E dash C dash D. मतलब हम बता रहे हैं कि E C D एक ही लाइन से पास होता है. क्यों पास होता है? By in bracket reason by theorem of touching circles. By theorem of touching circles. Touching circles, center and point of contact are always in a straight line collinear. Okay, once we write this, the next ED is the diameter. It is passing through the center, na? So we are writing therefore segment ED is the diameter. Segment ED is the diameter. और diameter circle में अगर कहीं भी एंगल बनाता है तो वो एंगल क्या होता है? वो एंगल 90 डिग्री होता है. ये भी हमने लास्ट ईयर पढ़ा है कि सर्कल में अगर diameter is subtending any angle on the circle, that angle is always 90 degree. So we are writing therefore angle EAD is equal to 90 degree. In bracket reason, angle inscribed in a semicircle. Angle inscribed in a semicircle. Then, therefore, DA is perpendicular to EB. Therefore, DA is perpendicular to EB. Now again we will go back to the 9th standard circle के chapter में एक theorem पढ़ा था हमने. Perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisect the chord. That we are going to use. So here the next step we are going to write since perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord, bisect the chord. So let us continue. The statement was perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord, bisect the chord. To the chord, bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. Okay, therefore, we are going to write in the next step. Therefore, EA is equal to AB. Therefore, EA is equal to AB. Therefore, segment EA is congruent to, ये actually हम अगर हमको पहले ही लिखना है तो हम पहले भी लिख सकते हैं. Segment EA is congruent to segment AB. Hence proved. So this shows that जो भी 9th standard में पढ़ा है वो हमको याद रखना है.